Hi, my name is Ricardo Böhme and I am working as an application engineer for our flow measurement products here at SICK. Today we would like to have a closer look about exchanging the backup battery of our gas flow meter FLOWSIC600-XT. The backup battery prevents a failure of the device in case of loss of external power supply. For this duration, the backup battery provides the power supply. The meter will change in a warning status and display the message external power failure in the user software FLOWgate. The warning is disappearing when the meter will be externally powered with voltage again and a restart has been performed. There's an indication on the display when the backup battery is in use. The voltage supply via an optional integrated backup battery during a mains power failure ensures a continuous measuring up to 3 weeks. After an usage of the backup battery, it is recommended to exchange it afterwards. To prevent a capacity loss of the backup battery, you must first connect the external power supply to the device before connecting the backup battery. Otherwise, the backup battery will be used first as a power source. Only replace the backup battery with a similar type from SICK, otherwise the intrinsic safety is endangered. The backup battery may also be used in a non-intrinsically safe FLOWSIC600-XT version, whereby the exchange can be made also in an X zone. Our first step will be to open the display protection flap. Therefore, loosen the screw of the display protection flap. Swivel down the display and loosen the 4 screws on the display unit with an Allen key. Now carefully swivel the display unit downwards. Make sure the external power supply is active. Disconnect the backup battery connection and take the backup battery out of the holder. Unpack the new backup battery and check for any transport damages. Do not use the backup battery when any damages can be seen. Make sure the external power supply is active before connecting the backup battery. Insert the backup battery in the holder and connect it to the backup battery connector. Ensure the sealing area is free from contamination and swivel the display unit upwards. Tighten the 4 screws on the display unit, hand tight with an Allen key. Close the display protection flap and tighten the screw on the display protection flap with an Allen key. We have reached the end of our video and I would like to thank you for your attention. In case you have any open questions, please feel free to get in touch with your local SICK subsidiary. Please refer also to our user manuals and operating instructions. Thank you for choosing SICK and stay healthy.